Tired of those old highlight reels cluttering your Hudl profile? Today, we're going to walk you through the surprisingly simple process of deleting highlights on Hudl, keeping your account clean and showcasing only your best plays first. Head over to Hudl and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Library tab. It's usually found in the main navigation bar at the top of your screen. Click on it, and this will open your personal video library. Now, in your library, you'll see all your reels and highlights. Find the specific highlight reel you want to remove. Click on the reel. Hover your mouse over the highlight reel you've opened. You should see 3 vertical dots, which indicate a menu. Click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you will find the delete option. Click on delete. A pop-up window will ask you to confirm your decision. It's important to note that deleting a highlight reel is permanent, so make sure you've selected the correct one. If you are sure, click to confirm the deletion. And that's it. The highlight reel is now removed from your Hudl account. Repeat these steps for any other highlights you wish to delete. This keeps your Hudl presence sharp and focused.